I'm back at GAC and I'm with Karabo Ndaba. He is the product manager at GAC South Africa.
Alan, good to see you again, man.
Always good with Karabo. I haven't seen you for a while, but we're going to make up for that now.
For sure.
Karabo, you were telling me there's an exciting promotion for the month of June.
100%, Alan. So at GAC, we have a month promotion on GAC EMKOO.
Right. That's the bigger, the family
yes,
SUV,
there's the big one.
brother.
Yeah, there's the big brother, as you call it. So as always, we always have the best interest of our customers at
Right.
heart. So what we're doing for the month of June, we have a 20K promo. And on top of the 20K promo, you also get a free upgrade into maintenance plan, which is 5-year.
100,000.
100,000, that's correct.
Okay, now you normally give a service plan, a 5-year 100 service plan. And I think people need to understand the difference between a service plan and a maintenance plan. Service plan, it covers the basic, what I call the service menu.
Yes, yeah,
okay,
service menu,
the set services every 15,000,
for sure,
whatever, in your book, right? In your service books.
100%.
Maintenance plan is different. It covers everything basically barring tires and fuel.
That's correct.
And unless you abuse.
Of course.
but everything that needs doing on the car for that 100,000 period, or anything that goes wrong, if it does, we don't expect it to.
Not on GAC.
No. But you know what? It's called peace of mind.
It's called peace of mind. 100%,
customer peace of mind, customer comfort. Now, you always you've got your warranty as it is, which is unbeaten in the industry.
Of course, lifetime warranty that we have standard on all our GAC range.
Okay, that's on the drivetrain, the engine and drivetrain.
That's correct.
So you've got, what you guys are giving, you're giving a full maintenance plan now for 5 years, 100. You're giving your warranty, which covers the vehicle for 5 years as well. And then you give the lifetime warranty on the drivetrain. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Karabo, month of June only, you said?
Month of June only, but obviously depending on demand, we will look at it.
You can always, or you'll come up with something else.
And then we come up with something else. Yeah, we are always coming.
But there's a secret. There's a condition to it all. Tell them Eleanor sent you, otherwise you don't get the deal.